I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a beginner/intermediate technique exercise involving paradiddle patterns. So even with my beginner students, I start working on double and triple paradiddles pretty early, just because they're called double and triple, but that it has some kind of connotation to it that makes it seem so much harder than it really is. You're literally just repeating the first part of the paradiddle a certain number of times. That's all that makes it a double and a triple. At least that's what I was taught it was called. You guys might call it something different. So really with the paradiddle, that's a single, this is a double. So you just do that dig spank twice, and then triple, you do the dig spank 3 times. So I have this exercise that I love to use. It's a palindrome. I'm a big fan of palindromes, where it's like, oh, there's a word, like race car? Yeah, race car is a palindrome, pretty sure. Because it's like the same going into the middle and then the same coming out. So R-A-C-E-C-A-R. So the E is in the middle, but R-A-C, and then it's the opposite, C-A-R. So you basically go back the way you came. Palindrome. So this is one of those exercises that includes that. And one of the most important things is that you keep track of which one you're on, because it doesn't always fit the song perfectly when you're adding like doubles and triple paradiddles. So you have to know, okay, I'm on the second double, now I'm on the triple, now I'm on the second triple. So it's such a good one for focusing on what you're doing. Okay? So all it is 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples, 2 doubles, 2 singles. That's it. Single, single, double, double, triple, triple, double, double, single, single. I don't know why I couldn't say that correctly twice. So it's just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and those are your singles. Now you have 2 doubles. Double, double. Now 2 triples. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you do 2 doubles again. Then you have 2 singles. And there will be 3 counts left in that 8 count. We're going to do so you're just going to step, 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 and then you're going to go to the other side. Cool? Okay, so let's speed it up a little bit. Single, single, double, double, triple, triple, double, double, single, single, pada, boo, right. Cool. All right, so speed it up a little bit. Dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel. Let's give it a shot. Also, after this, guess what? Your left foot's free. So you would start the whole thing on the left. Single, single, double, double, and so on. Let's try it on the right, then we'll try it on the left, and then we'll try it going from right to left, and then we'll try it with music. Sound good? Let's do it. So just on the right. 5E and a 6E and a 7 and a 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Double, double, triple, triple, double, double, single, step, step, step. So there's technically 4 counts left, but we're holding 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 gets you ready to go to the other side. All right, let's try it on the left this time. Ready? 5E and a 6E and a 7 and a 8. Go. Single, single, double, double, triple, triple, double, double, single, single, and that's the left side. Okay, let's try it right to left. We got this. Okay, right to left. 5E and a 6E and a 7 and a 80 and a 1, 2, double, double, triple, triple, double, double, single, single, bottom, 2, right, left. 1, 2, double, double, triple, triple, Nice. Where did Sayuri go? Okay, I always have to keep an eye on her. So let's try it with music. It's a lot easier to follow when there's a beat and I'm not just going double, single, that kind of thing. All right, let's give it a shot. That was the song, not Windows starting. Measure, and then we got it. All right, one last time. That sounds like the Windows startup, right? It's not just me, right? Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exercise for any level. I love setting it for beginners because it lets you practice your doubles and your triple paradiddles, but that is a great exercise for any level because the faster you take it, like, you get to practice doing those at high speeds. Those can be tricky. Triple paradiddles at high speeds, that is a lot of ankle intention. I'm going to call it intention, because you really, really need to have all of your focus on 1 and 2 and 3 and, because it's micro movements at that point. So yeah, fantastic for all levels. I hope you really enjoyed learning this with me today. I had so much fun teaching it to you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises, choreography tutorials, step tutorials, vlogs, and challenges. It is all tap dance all the time on this channel. It's all free and it's all for you. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you can join the TAP fam and become a part of this wonderful channel. Single best way of supporting this channel. I also do have a Patreon if you would like to go further with the support of this channel, but that is completely up to you. At least subscribe for me. Oh, also hit the thumbs up. The thumbs up is great because it tells YouTube that people like tap dance. It tells YouTube that people like tutorials of tap dance. So hit that thumbs up button on any tap dance tutorial you can find so that YouTube goes, huh, we should probably push these out more. People like that, you know? The algorithm is a fun thing to deal with. So yeah, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.